Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among the rolling hills of the countryside, there lived a young boy named Jacob. Jacob was known throughout the village for his adventurous spirit and boundless energy. He could often be found exploring the woods, climbing trees, and playing with his friends until the sun went down. One day, as Jacob was playing in the village square with his friends, his elderly neighbor, Mrs. Jenkins, approached him with a stern look on her face. Jacob, she said, do you know why it is important to respect time? Jacob shrugged his shoulders, not quite sure what Mrs. Jenkins was getting at. Time is just time, he replied. I don't see why it's such a big deal. Mrs. Jenkins sighed and sat down on a nearby bench, motioning for Jacob to join her. Time is precious, Jacob, she began. It is the most valuable thing we have in this world. Once it's gone, we can never get it back. Jacob listened intently as Mrs. Jenkins explained the importance of respecting time. She told him how time was a gift that should not be wasted, how every moment should be cherished and used wisely. She spoke of the regret and sadness that come from squandering time on trivial pursuits and the joy and fulfillment that come from making the most of every moment. As Mrs. Jenkins spoke, Jacob began to understand. He realized that time was not just a concept but a precious resource that should be treasured and respected. From that day forward, he made a conscious effort to manage his time wisely, to prioritize the things that truly mattered to him, and to make the most of every moment. Jacob soon found that respecting time brought with it many benefits. He was able to focus more on his schoolwork and excel in his studies. He had more time to spend with his family and friends, creating lasting memories and deepening his relationships. He was even able to pursue his passions and interests, discovering new talents and exploring new opportunities. One day, as Jacob was walking through the village square, he came across a group of younger children playing tag. He watched with a smile as they ran around, laughing and shouting with glee. Suddenly, he felt a tug at his heartstrings. These children were just like him, full of energy and enthusiasm, but without the wisdom and understanding to appreciate the value of time. Jacob approached the children and sat down with them, sharing Mrs. Jenkins' wisdom about respecting time. He told them how time was like a rare and precious jewel to be cherished and protected. He explained how every moment was an opportunity, a gift waiting to be unwrapped and enjoyed. The children listened intently as Jacob spoke, their eyes wide with wonder. They began to see time in a new light, not as something to be wasted, but as something to be treasured. They promised Jacob that they would do their best to respect time, to make the most of every moment and live each day to the fullest. From that day on, Jacob became known as the village's timekeeper, a wise and respected figure who shared his knowledge and wisdom with all who would listen. He taught the children the value of time, showing them how to prioritize their tasks, set goals, and make the most of every moment. As the years passed, Jacob grew into a young man, his youthful energy tempered by maturity and wisdom. He became a role model for the children of the village, inspiring them to respect time and make the most of every moment. And through his example, he showed them that by respecting time, they could unlock the full potential of their lives and achieve their wildest dreams. And so, the village of Jacob and his friends lived happily ever after, their days filled with joy, laughter, and fulfillment. They understood that time was not a finite resource but a limitless opportunity, waiting to be seized and savored. And they knew that by respecting time, they could create a future filled with possibility and promise.